So good evening students, today we are going to continue lesson 12 data handling. So today's topic histogram. So first, what is histogram? A histogram is a representation of a frequency distribution by means of rectangles whose whites represent class intervals and whose areas are proportional to the corresponding frequencies. There is no gap between the bars of the histogram. So if this is x-axis, this is y-axis, then we will represent like bar diagram some rectangles like this, maybe like this. Some rectangles we will draw. So that's why here I am saying whose white represents class interval. So white means this is white. White represents class interval and areas are proportional to the corresponding frequency. If frequency is bigger, then area of this rectangle will be more. If frequency is less, then area will less. So frequency you already got in frequency distribution table. So frequency less, then length of this rectangle will decrease, so area will less, and frequency will more, then area will more. Now next, there is no gap between the bars of a histogram. In case of histogram, there will not any gap, but in case of bar diagram, we will maintain a gap between the bars. But in case of histogram, there will no gap. After this, come to an example. Now, this is a frequency distribution table. Here, this is class interval and frequency. Class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. And frequencies are 1, 3, 6, 4, 2. Now we are going to draw histogram. For this, first you draw a vertical line and next horizontal line. In this side, we will put class interval. So right here, class interval. Interval towards this side, and in this side we will put frequency. Frequency towards this side. So class interval starts from 0. So this is 0, then 10, 20, so on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and in this side we will put frequency. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. So first, this is frequency distribution table, and now we are going to draw histogram. Histogram. For drawing histogram, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Towards this, we will consider class interval. These are class interval, and towards this we will put frequencies. Here maybe you get some other name like mark, age, etc. And this will frequency or number of data, maybe number of student, number of anything. Then it is here. Now 0 to 10, this is 1. 0 to 10, this is 1 up to this. So this is 0 to 10, 1. After this, next value 10 to 20, it is 3. 10 to 20, this is 3. So up to 3 you extend it. 10 to 20, this is 3. After this 20 to 30, 6. 20 to 30, this is 6. This line should be straight. 20 to 36, then 30 to 44, 30 to 44, then 40 to 52, 40 to 52 again. This, like this, all bars are formed. So this is for 1, this is for 3, this is for 6. You can, if you want, you can write here 1, 3, 6, 4, 2. Here this wide is for class interval and this area or height will for frequency. So this is called histogram. In histogram, between two rectangles there is no gap. All rectangles are joined because here all are serial number 20, 20, 30, 30. So there should not any gap. Next, come to one more example. Next, so example number 2. If this is class interval, it starts from 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency is like this, 2, 5, 1, 3. So then it is not continuously from 0, it is from 30. Then we will plot in this side class interval as 30, so 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And in this side, so biggest value 5, so we are writing here from 1 to 5 like this, maybe 6. After putting this, after writing x-axis, y-axis drawing, then you plot these values. So first value 30 to 40. So this is 30, this is 40. Actually from after 0 we will get 10, then 20, then 30. But here I have written directly 30. As this gap is breaking, so you put a breaking sign here. This is like this. This is showing breaking. It is called kink or jagged breaking. It shows that it is not continuous. It is not from 0. It is from directly 30 to 40. That's why a breaking sign is there. It is called kink or in your book jagged or broken line. So 30 to 40 is 2. So you put 2. 30 to 40, 2. After is 40 to 55, 40 to 55. Then 50 to 61, 50 to 61. Then 60 to 73, 60 to 70. You always put white of equal size. This should be of equal size. You take the help of scale for plotting these points. Otherwise, you will have to draw in graph paper. You may draw in graph sheet or in normal page. It's your own choice. But you put this point with the help of scale so that you will do less mistake. So this is the frequency distribution table. If it is starting from value, not continuously from 0, then like this. Otherwise, it will continue from 0. Okay, now let us come to our exercise.